The standoff between Indian infrastructure major GMR and Maldivian government over Malé airport contract worsens. The Maldivian government is wasting no time and has already started the process to take over the airport operations from GMR, defying the injunction given by the Singapore High Court. While GMR refuses to budge and stick to its stand to develop the airport, as the company has received a stay from the court on the termination of the contract by Maldives. Now, both the parties are going to continue the dialogue on the issue. In the meantime, diplomatic dialogue is also on in full swing. In the latest, the island country's finance minister has written to the Indian Prime Minister explaining the reasons behind the decision. And Suchetna Ray joins in with more details. Suchetna, what has the Maldivian government communicated to the Indian government? Take us through all of that.
Diplomatic channels between the Indian government and Maldives is very much open. Sources in the Ministry of External Affairs indicate to us that the Foreign Minister of Maldives, Mr. Abdul Abdullah, had an extended communication today with Salman Khurshid. But Salman Khurshid has expressed his dissatisfaction, displeasure as well as indignation at this entire GMR's license cancellation issue. Sources indicate that Abdul Abdullah on his part has explained why exactly the Maldives government cannot abide by the stay order that has been given by the Singapore tribunal. In fact, sources also indicate that Abdullah has indicated that he will write a letter to the Prime Minister Manmohan Singh explaining why Maldives in the first place cancelled GMR's license for the maintenance of the Malé airport, and in the same letter will also explain why Maldives is not ready to accept the stay order on this cancellation of GMR's license. In fact, sources in the External Affairs Ministry tell us that Salman Khurshid has also mentioned the amicable ties that India has with Maldives, mentioned how India is the largest aid provider to Maldives, and also said that and has also asked Maldives to keep in mind that this issue should not hamper India's perception of Maldives, and therefore has urged Maldives to look at the GMR issue all over again.
All right, Suchetna. So there are hectic negotiations and dialogues at this moment on that particular issue. Meanwhile, GMR Infra Chairman GM Rao spoke for the first time on the issue and said that they believe in transparent bidding processes and that the Malé International Airport would create value for Maldives.
Where the transport bidding is there, will participate. This is bidded by the IFC Washington bidded. They made it a success story. See the website of the IFC. What not able to make it last 30 years, the bidding. They made it a bidding. They made it a success story. Because of the transport bidding, we participated. We respect IFC, this one is there. When transport bidding is there, we want to create a value to the Maldivian society.
So what is the Indian government helping you in this?
No, I don't know about this one.
Are you going to ask the Indian government help at all, sir?
No, we do what we, as a, this one is there, we write to government whatever.
So what else are you expecting from the government, and what will be your next step in this case?
I don't know, I cannot comment on this.